Spring is here, why not plant a tree?
Selecting the right tree for your yard is key, but what's even more important is planting it properly and in the right location. Take a look at the soil conditions. Is it saturated or is it sandy? Amending the soil with a high-quality growing medium is recommended and is generally required. Dig the hole 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball and roughen the sides and bottom of the hole and make sure that it is not too deep. Find the tree's natural root flare by removing some of the soil from the base of the tree at the top of the root ball. And finally, backfill the hole around the root ball, water, and add 2 to 4 inches of mulch. Don't forget, call before you dig. Avoid hitting any underground utilities below ground by calling BC1 at 1-800-474-6886.
To learn more, please visit whiterockcity.ca/trees.